Hi, boys and girls. Happy Friday and letter I day. And when I think about capital I spells I think about you too, because it's all about you when you write that word I on your paper. You're talking about you. And remember the song? I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. If I put my heart and my mind to it, I can do it. So I'm putting that song on the next slide for you to sing along. And when he says, hello, boys and girls, I love to come to this happy place, he's talking about Schoology for me now, because this is my happy place with you where I can share some videos and some learning and you can share back with me. So I love that we at least have this. And hey, how about our parade? Wasn't that so fun? And if you couldn't make it, hopefully you can make our next one. We're going to reschedule at a different time for our next kindergarten teacher parade. So hopefully we'll see you there. And our Zoom time together, I look forward to that so much too. So have a great day. You are definitely in my heart every day, and I think about you so much, and I can't wait to see you again on Schoology or Zoom. Bye guys, have a great day.